You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're going to talk about an introduction to geometry, some basic terms here. We're going to name this line in three ways. This is line, the purple line there is line MP or PM, or line MN or line NM. Okay. Or line L. You can use a script letter. Okay. Draw line TU. Okay. That's this. You have to draw the arrows going in both directions for a line. Okay. Name this ray. This ray is called ray YX. Has to be in that direction, not XY. Draw ray DC, okay? Ray starts at D, goes through C. Or like this. It can't be C then D. It has to be D first if it says ray DC. Name this plane. You can name this plane plane R. Otherwise, you have to use three letters not on the same line. So, plane R, plane QMB, plane ABM, plane BCM, plane BCQ, ACQ, okay? Plane QRS, draw it, okay. Here's a plane with the 3 points, Q, R, and S, bam. Draw line PG and TS intersecting. Okay, PG and TS, they intersect. Draw PG and TS so they don't intersect. Okay, and they're parallel. Draw PG perpendicular to TS. Okay, makes a 90-degree angle. That's a right angle, that little box. Draw collinear points, R and T. That means 2 points, R and T, are on the same line. Okay. Draw coplanar lines, LA and MU. That means 2 lines are on the same plane, LA and MU. Draw lines Q and R intersect at T. Okay, Q and R, and there's T. Line segment MP. Segment MP, there's no arrows, it's just a segment of the line. There it is, M to P, or PM. 2 ways to name this segment. Segment YZ or segment ZY. How do perpendicular lines intersect? At a right angle, 90 degrees. Draw parallel lines J and K. All right, there they are, J and K, parallel. Name 2 collinear points. How about C and D? B and D, B and C. Name 2 coplanar lines. Line M and line N. Describe this situation, okay? This is line N going through the plane, intersecting line B at point M. Line A is going through the plane at M. Line A intersects line B. Here, line G is going through the plane, intersecting line H at K. Name the intersection of MN and HJ. Z. Name the intersection of EF and KQ. P. What is the intersection of plane JK and plane K? AB. What is the intersection of plane Y and plane Z? VW. Name the type of angle. This one is called acute, less than 90 degrees. 90 degrees is called a right angle. Bigger than 90 degrees is called obtuse. That would be called a straight angle. How would you name this angle? Angle ABC, or angle CBA, or angle B? The B, the vertex, must be the second letter. You cannot call this ACB or CAB. Has to be ABC or CBA. The vertex is always second. All right, in this figure, what's an acute angle? Angle MNP is less than 90 degrees. There are more. Name a right angle. Angle QNR. Name an obtuse angle. Angle RNS is more than 90 degrees. Angle PNR is more than 90 degrees. A straight angle, straight across, MNR, angle MNR, straight across. Name the sides of this angle and the vertex. Well, one side is NM, ray NM. Another side, side 2, is ray NP. The vertex is N. Name the sides and angle of this. Name the sides and of this angle and the vertex. Side 1 is XW. Side 2 is ray XY. So we have side 1 is ray XW. Side 2 is ray XY. And the vertex is X. I always say that the vertex makes the V. The bottom of the V is the vertex. All right. Name the ray opposite XA. You see XA, ray XA. So if you're going from X through A, opposite would be X through B, ray XB. What's the ray opposite XC? Same thing, XD. Ray XD is going opposite XC. Opposite XE. Don't let me trick you, there isn't one. Opposite XB would be XA. Okay. Over here, these slashes, if there's a single slash, see there's a single slash here and a single slash here. It means those two segments are congruent. Congruent means equal, not only equal, same size and shape. See, there's two slashes here, that's congruent to the two slashes here. So when you have two lengths that are congruent like that, that makes M the halfway point, or the midpoint. So what's the midpoint of AB? The midpoint of AB is going to be M, right? What's congruent to CM? Segment CM is congruent to segment DM, right? What's the segment bisector of AB? That means what's the knife that cuts AB in half? The knife that does the cutting is segment CD. You could also say line CD. So what's the segment bisector of CD? Segment CD. The knife that cuts into two equal segments of CD would be AB. So the segment bisector of CD is going to be AB. That's what does the cutting. What segment is congruent to BM? That's going to be AM. You've been watching the Weiss channel.